Welcome back to MG Marine Tech, and we are in the garage today getting my boat ready for this open water season, and I'm behind schedule, but I wanted to make a video for you guys on a subject that I see popping up more and more, and that is when you have a couple of screens that are networked but they're not sharing waypoints like they should. They'll share your sonar, your maps, etc., but you can create a waypoint on one screen and it's not sharing to another. So I'm going to show you how to fix that problem, or hopefully fix that problem for you. So stay tuned and let's take a dive. Alright guys, so here is the issue that I've been seeing a lot of you guys have, and that is when you created a waypoint on one screen, it's not popping up on your other network screen. And if you have questions about networking, please refer to my networking video. It's super helpful, and I will drop a link to that in the description below. But say I create a waypoint on that spot, it pops up 251. Now I go over to my other screen, no 251 on this screen. So here is the fix. So we have to check to make sure that the user data sharing is on. So you go to your nav info, manage data, user data sharing. It's switched off right now. I need to switch that back to on. Then I can go back again. 251 is still there. Now I'll go back to my other screen. 251 has now been shared to this unit. It's as simple as that. So you guys checked all your devices and user data sharing is on, but your waypoints still aren't sharing. So what do you do next? The best advice I have for you is to check your software version and make sure that it is currently up to date. Say you have two units, one of them being older, one of them being brand new. Well, they may have two different software versions that just may have a bug in there to where they don't share waypoints properly. So the best thing you can do is update them. Now, if you still are having issues with that, you can either contact Garmin or let me know. I'm going to continue to dive into this issue if there is an issue and this doesn't solve it for you. So let me know if it does work for you or if it doesn't. And always, please subscribe, hit that notification button, and thank you for watching.